Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build social media presence with Coca-Cola, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a social media presence inspired by Coca-Cola, start by identifying your target audience. Understand their demographics, interests, and online behaviors. Choose the right platforms for your brand, focusing on where your audience is most active. Create a consistent brand image across all platforms, including logos, colors, and tone of voice. Develop a content strategy that reflects your brand values and connects with your audience emotionally. Take inspiration from Coca-Cola's storytelling approach, incorporating narratives that resonate with your followers. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged, establishing a consistent posting schedule. Utilize high-quality visuals, as Coca-Cola does, to capture attention and convey your brand message effectively. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Encourage user-generated content by launching campaigns that invite your audience to share their experiences. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand to extend your reach. Monitor your analytics to track engagement and adjust your strategy based on what works best. Experiment with different types of content, such as videos, polls, and stories, to see what resonates most. Stay updated on current trends and incorporate relevant topics into your content. Build partnerships with other brands or organizations to broaden your reach and enhance your credibility. Promote your social media presence through other marketing channels, like email newsletters and your website. Evaluate your progress regularly, setting measurable goals and adapting your tactics as needed. Maintain authenticity by being transparent and true to your brand's mission and values. Remember, building a social media presence takes time, so remain patient and persistent in your efforts. By following these steps, you can create a vibrant social media presence that resonates with your audience, much like Coca-Cola has done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.